I don't even know why I came this way. This was a stupid idea. This dog almost just ran out on me back there. I know there's more up here that run out. Just testing my luck today. Yeah, I'm probably gonna die by a dog or just the road being generally a piece of shit. I have not ridden in like a month. Jake, what's wrong with you? What are you, gay now? Yep, that's it. It's like the first wheelie in a while. Yeah, man, I don't know. I often would stare off into the distance.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
And then like a week would go by. I use like some general glass cleaner to clean the glass on this thing. Like it's opposite of anti-fog. It's like super fog. It's like and that fogs them. Oh, my turn signal's still. I don't know how to motor. I'm sorry, y'all. I apologize. It's been a month. I forgot how they work. And in that month, I rode an electric bike, so I'm really all messed up. I don't know what I'm doing. But now you really don't know what you're doing. I don't know what y'all are doing. Come on. But I'm kind of drifting there a little bit. You got to keep him on the leash if he's going to run out like that, you know? I locked the I was antagonizing him. You want to see the video? Hey, I'm just telling you, I don't want to hit your dog, and I don't want to get hurt. I don't want your dog to die. Scared the f out of me. Oh, my whole knee there flashed before my eyes. I'm not even like really mad at the dude. I just like literally like trying to catch my breath. I don't think I breathed for like a minute there. I didn't breathe for a minute. They're telling me I'm antagonizing your dog. Come on, bro. My kid's been fucking driving me nuts lately. What do they say? They said terrible twos, and all the parents always laugh. They go, wait till they turn 3. And I'm like, yeah, I fucking see. She was screaming really bad right the other day though. We were on like a full super fit, and we were heading outside. We had to go somewhere. You know the neighbors are hearing us like, oh, this is just great. Right as I'm like walking to my truck right there, a police car pulls up. A police officer jumps out, and here comes another one pulling up. And they're like parking like right in front of my house, and I was like, that was fast. Like, oh. Maybe someone heard her like inside the house screaming and like called the police on us. Thought like we were like, you know, cutting her kid's legs off or something terrible. Cause that's how she's screaming. Luckily, they walked right past my house and went 2 houses down with their guns drawn and were looking around the house. So they thank God. It must have been like a home invasion or something. I don't know. My wife is sitting there like, what do you think's going on? I'm like, I don't, get in the car. We gotta go. Before they get done with that and come back and arrest us, let's get the hell out of here. Look at this cotton here. Pretty when it does that. No, it's not pretty. We can't use these as decorations anymore. That's right, it's racist for some reason because only black people ever pick cotton.
What's going on with the XR project, Jake? You stupid a-hole. You haven't posted a video in a long time and you messing with the XR. You must hate us.
You're right. I hate you all and I've done nothing with it. Except that's all bullshit. Of course I've done stuff with it. I just haven't done enough to accumulate to a video. The wheels should be here any day now. There was like a slight delay with something not matching on the anodizing, but Warp 9 was like, we're not gonna send them if like it doesn't look right. So they fixed it. They're on the way. They're shipping right now. Right now. Actually, by the time you watch this, there's a good chance I already have them. And they probably look amazing, and you're just gonna have to wait to see them. Hey, let's go down this weird closed road right here, because why not? Do not enter. Closed road. Blah, blah, blah. Road ends. Like, that's like where you take a picture, you're like, your dual sport or your supermoto next to that sign. First gear whirlies. Those are awful, because what happens is the tire's spinning up a little bit. Spun up a lot right there. Fun fact, the Patreon version of these videos is on average about 25% longer, as well as just being like uncensored. We say all kinds of bad words on that one. Yeah, the XR. I'm sorry guys, I'm all over the place right now. I can't really do much till I get the wheels, you know, and the suspension. And so the deal with the suspension is that it's being worked on literally like right now.
Jake, you're a surf fucking kid. Why aren't you redoing the suspension work yourself?
Rebuilding it would be one thing. Custom suspension work is like, it's a lot going on with that. That's what's getting done with it in SMS Racing right now. I've got a little bit of footage of that. I mean, it's just not enough to make a video yet.
Fix it. Oh, thank you, sir.
They don't want me filming them doing the voweling stuff because they're not just you know, just dropping in parts and whatever. They're actually they did custom stuff to it, where they shimmed and did things, and they asked me a lot of very interesting questions, and I thought you guys would really like to see all that in a complete video, not a 2-minute long video, and then followed up with another 2-minute long video, like a proper, like, you know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever, 10 minutes and 1 second long video. Sponsors have really hooked it up big. There's a lot of really cool stuff for this bike. There's still some other, you know, odds and ends we need to get a hold of. So if you haven't bought a Big Red Pig shirt yet, or a sticker or something, you can get a sticker, you can get whatever. It would be just dandy if you did that. See, SMS Racing, like I said, there's people doing the suspension, except this is not SMS Racing. This is Adventure Moto. Why is this here then if this isn't SMS Racing? It's like owned by the same people, and everyone that works here knows the people that work over there, and they work up here, and I think they sometimes, you know, they do this. This has got to be a toy hauler too, right? Yeah, it's a toy hauler. Moto vans are stupid. They cost a lot of money. It's a whole vehicle you have to insure and take care of. Where do you shit and shower every day? You can shit in a bucket, shower with what, like a wet rag? No, you got to get a truck and like a 17-foot mini toy hauler. That makes the most sense. Bike looks cool when you sit way back like this. That's all right. You and that dog can get together and just run out on people. Knee out. Hang off the bike so much that we lean the bike in the opposite direction of the turn. Just like. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. My hands are starting to hurt. I think it's like cold outside. 48, that's kind of chilly. I know, you're probably from somewhere where it's colder. Well, your dick is bigger. There you go. You win, guy or gal. So until next time.